Once upon a time, in a sunny village, there lived three best friends named Maya, Omar, and Layla. One afternoon, their kind teacher shared a beautiful message from Surah Al-Asr, Ayat 3. This special verse teaches us to believe in good, do kind deeds, remind each other about truth, and help each other stay patient. The next day, Maya found a small puppy crying near a bench. The puppy looked scared and alone. Omar came over and said, Maya, remember what we learned? We should do righteous deeds and help those in need. Together, they gave the puppy water and made colorful signs that said, Found, lost puppy. While waiting, some older kids walked by and laughed. Why are you wasting your time with a stray animal? Layla felt embarrassed and whispered, Maybe we should just leave. But Maya held her hand gently. Layla, remember Surah Al-Asr Ayat 3? It teaches us about patience and staying true to what's right. Omar nodded. We're doing a good deed. We shouldn't give up. Hours passed as the friends stayed patient. Finally, they heard voices calling, Coco! Coco! A worried family came running. When they saw their puppy safe, they rushed over. Thank you so much for taking care of our Coco, the mother said. The three friends felt warm inside, knowing they had done the right thing. That evening, Maya, Omar, and Layla walked home together. Maya said, When we believe in goodness, we can do amazing things. Omar added, And helping others feels wonderful. Layla smiled. And when we remind each other about truth and practice patience, we can overcome any challenge. They had truly lived the beautiful message of Surah Al-Asr, Ayat 3.